Okay, this is my stock portfolio, and um, I have the system to make 125 million a year from futures. So that would be 100 million a year, 1,000. I'm doing the math real quick. I'm doing the math to see what 12,000 points would be with me averaging 1,000 points a month on the intraday times 12 times 20,000. Okay, that's 240 million times 0.63. That would be 151 million. And what I want to do is turn this 151 million into 1 billion a year, which will be 600 and about 630 million a year. Yes, and that would be making in a year what I was planning to make in 4 years with 130 million of liquidity ready to be deployed. So what I'm trying to do is turn that 100 million to 1 billion a year. And I think my strongest way of doing that is putting money. Right now, the strongest way I see of doing that is investing all that money into shares, gold, and oil. And what I would like to do is have about 9 billion to 29 to 20 billion diversified. There will be 2 million in each of these. It will be in shares and metals. 2 million in oil, rigs, wells, and rights. There's 2 billion. I mean, it will be 2 billion in shares, 2 billion in oil, 2 billion in supply chain, 2 billion in agriculture, 2 billion in commercial real estate, 2 billion in multifamily real estate, 2 billion in a charter company, 2 billion in corporate bonds, 2 billion in government bonds. And then I probably add 2 billion in banking. And once I have that, all I will need to do then is just expand inside of that entire system. But right now, the number one way I see it is oil, partial, metal partial, but strongly with shares. These are my 9 stocks: General Electric, Google, Exxon Mobil, Palantir, Bank of America, Amazon, Nvidia, Visa, and MasterCard. Those are my 9 stocks, my 9 equities. And what I'm trying to do for the 20th time, I'm at a point where I want to turn my 100 million a year to 1 billion a year. And even like, I know there's ways to cut off taxes, but I want to do it with, even when I pay taxes, I'm still bringing in 500 million a year, because 500 million a year is what I was working for to invest every 4 years. But if I scale that to 500 million a year, then I'll be investing 2 billion every 4 years. 2 billion every 4 years. Right now it's 18 years. It's 2 billion there. It would be each of these times 2. That'd be 18 years, which is good. Because if I'm trying to do all these, we're making 500 million every 4 years. It'll be like more of a lifetime. So if I can scale a lifetime of work down to 18 years, then that is what I'm currently working on. 1 billion. But if I just do 1 billion is good too. Even though at 1 billion is 9 years, what would take a whole lifetime, which is what children are for, which is what that planning is for the future. But I would like to be able to do more than, I would like to be able to do as much as I can, more than I can. So, yeah, the $9 billion journey.